Let us witness glamour, prestige, and elegance. Let us meet our candidates this time in their elegant gowns, but Semana Santa inspired and Sukob inspired. Starting off with candidate number 1. Music. Candidate number 2. Ay, dalag grabe. Di siya kapag kita ang anong tayo. Alam mo na. Ako gusto. Marami yun. Ang babae ito, sis. Alam niya may kumak. Sino ko ito? Hindi niya nila. Final to, ano sa final to? Okay. Thank you, candidate. That is so elegant and that is so breathtaking.
Talent.
Now this time, we would like to have an interview, a little bit of interview to our candidates, or should I say? So this is the question and answer now. Question and answer portion. Okay. But before our question and answer portion, we have to pick 2 of our 13,405 candidates. Our magic 2. May I have the envelope, please?
Envelope o notebook?
Mari. Finalist number 1. Candidate number. Drum rolls, please. Candidate number 9,845. Music kanta, bata ka yata music. Lumabi na ka mo ano? O ba nung ini? Our next finalist. Hold your breath, ladies. That is none other than candidate number 5,832. Punta ka mo ano ba? Kapag mo kimening na. Sige yung mag-question na. Okay, candidate. First panel, please pick a judge number. Okay, thank you. You pick judge number 5, Mr. R.K. De Dia. Your question?
Video mo yun.
Okay.
How would you react if somebody told you that you were ugly? I know who are we.
Haraan mo. Who are we?
I know who are you. Sometimes when you touch me.
Ojo.
Ojo. Talagang ako. Well, I'm ugly because I know that maglang people is very, very ugly me.
That's one thing.
I know. Alright. That's all. Thank you. Thank you all of us and God bless our Lord.
Final number 1. Now, pick a question, Judge. Oh, I think your hair was masked.
Oh, marami lang yan kay.
Okay, judge number 5. Mr. John, please, come up the stage.
Kung mamamatay ka bukas, bakit hindi pa ngayon?
Oh, kung mamatay ka daw bukas, bakit hindi pa ngayon?
Because if I die today, I die today. If I die tomorrow, I will die tomorrow. If I die yesterday, I die yesterday. And then if I die this month, I die this
But I'm
month.
only asking tomorrow and today.
Hi, Chef. Thank you, Michelle Bombshell.
If I die today, my mama will sigh. And my mama will cry.
Ako kapag din na. Naku kapag din na.
May wala lang ang candidate. Ang puto.
Post mo yan.
Backstage.
Pabidyo kayo mo. Hi, say hi. Hi, hi candidate. Oh, say hi. Say hi. Hi. Hello. So, how does it feel to make it on the top 2?
I'm so happy today because my gown is created by Juliet Magbalog.
So, how does it feel that you have gone so far? You are one of the top 2.
I'm so excited and I just can't hide it.
Thank you. Cut.